brought down the first set of machines that I'm setting up for VCF Midwest. This is going to represent the later era of Wardialing and BBS'ing. So we got a couple of compact Dust Pros. They're essentially the same machines. One, they're both Pentiums, like Pentium 1's like a 90 and a 100. Both have 32 mega RAM, blue SCSI. One of them has a sound card in it. That's kind of the Wardialing machine, and the other one doesn't. It's the BBS machine. For modems, we have what do we have up here? We got a Hayes Ultra 9600 that's on the BBS, and a USR V. Everything for the Wardialing machine. Kind of show you what it's going to look like at the show. If you come, you can play with. This is the Wardialing machine. No, this is the Wildcat box. Let me move this over here a little bit. That should do it. You know, I'll show you autoexec.bat, how it's set up. I have desk view on here and QEMM, so it's sort of Uber 90s BBS. I got the fossil driver on it, so I can do some other things with multi-port cards and whatnot. It has TCP, MTCP, but it's not active right now. So let's fire up desk view. And then we can, there's a couple you can use. We're going to set up modem 1. And there it's initialized. Yeah, that is what desk view looked like. You might remember it. So there's the BBS sitting waiting for a call. Let's bounce over. And by the way, these are both plugged into the down there to the 3845. What do we have on here? A couple of things you could do. You could just go to Procon Plus. Look at that. Good old Procon Plus. And I'm emulating the 555 range right now, so that might change, but I could dial right into the BBS. You know what? I'll show you that right now. Come on. Boom. And there it is. So that's one of the available targets. We're just going to hang up. And hang up. All right, exit out. Now, on the D drive, and since this is the later era of DOS, there are a couple of dialers on here. There's Tone Loc, and THC is very much like Tone Loc, but a little later. This is a 1994 version. And if we look at there's kind of how it works. So let's just try that. I won't bore you with the details, but that's what it looks like. What else can you do on here? Well, on the C drive, there's a couple of other things on here you can play with, but there you go. There is the later version, sort of the BBS and Wardialing that you'll be able to fire up and play with, both locally and across the show. Later.